A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is calm strength when clarity guides action. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age of instant messages and restless ambitions, the strongest force is not speed but stillness. A life of substance is shaped less by what feels urgent and more by the quiet movement before a choice is made. Strength begins where reaction ends and where the mind selects what is right rather than what is merely immediate. Modern research shows that an emotional surge first activates the brain's alarm center, the amygdala, while the region for reason, the prefrontal cortex, awakens a heartbeat later. Within that slender pause lies the chance to guide the entire course of an action. Ancient wisdom reached the same understanding. The Bhagavad Gita speaks of steadiness amid success or failure. Stoic thinkers described an unshakable inner fortress. Sages of the East taught the discipline of a mind that observes before it moves. Across cultures, the lesson endures. Command of the self is the highest power. When impulses drive behavior, anger flaring, pride tightening its grip, life is steered by external forces rather than inner purpose. Choosing awareness restores direction and preserves dignity. A mind aligned with its own quiet center becomes an unseen influence, calming conflict before a single word is spoken. Peace, far from passivity, serves as a shield more lasting than aggression. Wisdom also means selection. Not every challenge deserves energy. Perspective, like a view from a mountain height, reveals which efforts build the future and which merely scatter strength. Such steadiness is cultivated, never inherited. Simple, repeated practices, steady breathing before a decision, reflection at day's end, movement that unites body and thought, reshape the mind's pathways toward patience and insight. over time, courage joins compassion and resolve flows with natural grace. Underlying this discipline is a deeper connection. Across the universe runs an intelligence that orders stars and seasons alike. Aligning with this vast cosmic energy system through practicing brain entrainment, cultivating inner coherence, using silence and stillness, seeking help and guidance through prayer by building emotional resonance, draws on a source of strength far beyond the personal. In that communion, action guided by clarity gains a quiet radiance, and the heart stands rooted even when the world is unsteady. Trust in this cosmic design is not escape, it is participation in a harmony larger than the self. What's the way forward? Let each day offer deliberate pauses, a measured breath before response, a thoughtful interval before commitment. Nourish the mind with knowledge and the heart with symbols of the greater whole. Such daily rituals train perception to choose what endures until right action becomes the natural rhythm of being. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, this journey does not silence emotion. It transforms feeling into enduring power. To remain calm while the world rushes is not retreat. It is true leadership of the self. To choose the enduring good over passing thrill is to shape destiny with dignity. The revered Bhagavad Gita offers the timeless assurance in the words of Lord Krishna. Established in inner harmony, perform every action, abandoning attachment. Remain equal in success and failure. Such balance is called true yoga. Rooted in this cosmic wisdom, action becomes luminous, guided by clarity, fortified by peace, and strengthened by the infinite intelligence that holds all things together. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.